Oil, Fat Andy here. Right, just got in from work. Excuse me. Right, been to McDonald's and I've picked up the new wrap that came out yesterday. Big flavour wraps, and that is the I believe the new Caesar chicken and bacon wrap, £4.09. So yeah, let's get this that down a bit. There it is, £4.09. Get this opened up. Oh, it's hot today, and see what she's like. Right, let's just have a little look. Right, you see there. Right, couple of pieces of chicken, little bit of lettuce, and a bit of bacon. Looks like a little bit of sauce on there, possibly mayo, or one of their special sauces. But yeah, that's basically what you get for your £4.09. I mean the chicken, crispy chicken fillet things, whatever they are, probably about the size of a couple of a fish finger or whatever. But yeah, right, let's just get into it, and we'll see what this is about. I've also got the new what come out, I think it's £1.99, the double chocolate pie as well. It's like the apple pie, but double chocolate pie. But we'll get into that in a minute. Let's get into this wrap, and I'll let you know what it's like. Yeah, chicken, bacon I can't really taste much of. Could have done, well, that's on first bite. Let me have another go. It's a nice flavour, and so is the sauce what they use. I don't know. Just say Caesar crispy bacon wrap. Could have done with a little bit more sauce, a little bit dry. Yeah, got your lettuce and everything in it. I mean, the taste is nice, don't get me wrong. I think I just probably lack a little bit more sauce. But otherwise, chicken's nice and crispy. I think that could be probably a little bit more bacon in it. Yeah. All in all, that's a nice flavour, but needs a bit more sauce. Probably a bit more sauce. Maybe a couple of bits more bacon or something. I can't taste that bacon coming through. I can taste this chicken, but nice flavour, a little bit dry. That I'd give it an 8 out of 10 for that, because it is nice, but you just need that bit more sauce. That's dryness coming through. But yeah, other than that, very, very tasty. £4.09 that is. The new wrap came out yesterday. Right, secondly, what I just want to have a look at as well on review is the double chocolate pie, new out from McDonald's, £1.99. There it is. Yeah, let's get that open and we'll see what that's like. Right, get it down here, move it out of the way, that wrap. And we'll cut this in half, nice and crispy. I have let it cool a little bit. And that's half of it. Oozing with chocolate. Yeah, if you like the apple pies, maybe you like these. Let's have a go. Tell you what this is like. Cool. That's nice. Nice and crispy. Gooey chocolate. I have let this cool considerably, this, because I know what they're like. You get them apple ones, oh geez, like molten lather in your face. But yeah, that's a nice taste, that is. £1.99. All you chocolate lovers out there, go for it. I'll give that a good 9 out of 10, that. Lovely. Right. I'd also like to just give a shout out to some of the staff up there, or one in particular who's serviced, Lisa. Very nice lady. Very pleasant, as are all the staff up there. That's Pakefield McDonald's love stuff, or Pakefield. Yeah, nice nice service, nice hot fresh food. That was good. Yeah, so thanks there. And that's the new wrap, the new chocolate pie. Go try them, folks, see what you think. That's all I can say on it. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up. Comments below. Have you tried them yet? Only got launched yesterday. Well, certainly that did the wrap. And maybe you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Helps me channel. And thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you nice people in the next one. Cheers.